Hey, aspiring YouTube celebrities! Have you ever wondered how regular people like you are employing YouTube monetization to convert their interests into a full-time income? Picture waking up, having coffee, and then seeing your videos made you money while you slept. I am going over today precisely how to make money from a YouTube channel, even if you're beginning from nothing. Watch till the end since I will go over the 3 most frequent mistakes that prohibit most producers from getting paid. If you are serious about starting your YouTube business, leave a comment below noting your specialty. I will personally answer to provide guidance on your growth. Several years ago, I was trapped in a job I hate. I still learned of people making thousands using sponsored videos, affiliate marketing, and YouTube AdSense. I accordingly took the plunge and posted my first video explaining how to establish a YouTube channel. At first, nothing existed. But everything changed as I learned how to make my videos appealing for YouTube SEO, use strong keywords, and develop captivating thumbnails. My subscriber count shot up when one video on passive income ideas made it on the trending page of YouTube. Then I realized this is not about chance. Behind every prosperous channel is a mechanism. Strategy, how you may too carry out it. Let's examine now the real steps you may take to make money from your own channel. 1. Choose an interesting subject. Focus on topics already sought by others. For instance, channels on DIY tutorials, health and fitness, tech unboxing, product reviews, and making money online have very large audiences. 2. Become familiar with YouTube SEO. Using VidIQ and TubeBuddy among others, identify keywords with minimal competition. The greatest terms to include in your titles and descriptions are ways to grow on YouTube, YouTube profit generation, affiliate program on YouTube, income from YouTube, YouTube's passive income, favorite YouTube marketplaces, algorithm ideas for YouTube, hacks for YouTube thumbnails, increase YouTube viewers, boost YouTube watchability, make excellent movies always. Expensive tools are not necessary. Good illumination and your phone beginning calls. Give your attention to value. Every film ought to either entertain or address a challenge. 4. Convert many means of value. Rely on YouTube AdSense only. Append it with affiliate marketing links in your description, selling digital goods like courseware or ebooks, sponsorship of brands, sales via merchandising. The secret is layering income streams such that you are always earning, even in slower months. Pro tips. How the big channels varyingly do. Big channels know how to employ evergreen content, that is, videos that draw viewers for years. Tutorials on how to rapidly acquire 1,000 subscribers, how to edit films for YouTube, and best YouTube video ideas never lose favor. Like, in every video, they also use intelligent call-to-action statements. Comment below and let me know which strategy you want to start with. Go on then. Turn off this movie and give a comment right now with the subject you would want to rule. Some of those I will include in my next upload. Stay away from these 3 usual blunders. 1. Forgetting about keywords. Your movies will be hidden if you ignore YouTube SEO. Research terms including common YouTube themes, increase YouTube fast growth, YouTube videos ranking. Irregular uploads. 1 video every week is still more than enough if you stay consistent. YouTube algorithm rewards channels that consistently appear. 3. Failing to captivate your audience. Always participate in comments, ask viewers questions, and assist in community development. Speaking of engagement, write your experience below on what is preventing you from starting your channel right now. Listen, action is the only difference between you and the 6-figure-a-year inventors. You need not be perfect. Starting is all it takes. Like that video, subscribe, and share it if you loved it with a friend who needs this knowledge. Remember as well that your next video might just be the one that changes your life.